retrieved and dozens uncounted for in the landslide that ravaged 8 villages in Bulugaya sub-county and Soti sub-counties in the Elgon sub-region. The landslide was triggered by heavy rains in the mountainous district of Bulambuli, where landslides are common.
A somber mood has settled over Bulugunya and Soti sub-counties in Bulambuli district, where desperate efforts are underway to retrieve the bodies of those buried by a devastating landslide. Triggered by torrential rains on Wednesday night, the disaster has left the community reeling in shock and grief. Here, scores of people are still feared trapped under the rubble.
I've managed to get 14 bodies. Around 110 people are likely to be buried down there. 8 villages are affected. 4 of the 8 are severely affected. Total destruction. There is nothing that you can recover.
By press time, only 14 bodies had been recovered, leaving many families anxiously waiting for news of their loved one.
But our people are badly off. They need help urgently.
Grieving families now left homeless are pinning their hopes on a community-led rescue team armed with little more than handholds to recover the bodies of their loved ones. However, their painstaking efforts are being hindered by persistent rainfall, which is slowing down the rescue operation and adding to the distress of those already suffering. Most of these youth who were still in the trading center returned to ravaged landscape with their relatives still missing. In an effort to offer comfort and support, the Bulambuli Resident District Commissioner assured the community that the government would provide assistance to expedite the search and rescue efforts for the missing individuals.
We have a team of 120 UPDF that are coming to start the exercise of excavating, adding to the local people. We have failed to reach machines here.
The devastating landslide has struck a community already reeling from disappointment and mistrust stemming from unfulfilled government promises to resettle them to safer areas. This latest tragedy has only deepened the sense of disillusionment and frustration among the affected residents.
As local leaders, we were tasked to mobilize, organize these people to ensure that they go down in the resettlement camp. We have played our role as local leaders, but everything has ended in vain.
We've done our part in appealing to government, in bringing to the attention of government, in following up.
People are not forthcoming to the warnings that we are giving them, then we will have to force them. And this is not in any way to infringe on their rights. But we first look at the fundamentals. What is key, what is pertinent, is safety.
One of the areas hardest hit by the latest landslide is a community that is still reeling from a similar tragedy just last year, in which a landslide claimed the lives of 5 members of the same family in 2023.
Right, and here in Kenya, we condole with the affected families in our neighboring Uganda. Now, garbage collectors in Kiambu County